Cheating is a very complicated matter. Everyone's definition is different. People have different levels of what they consider as cheating and where they draw the line depending on their moral standards. During Juno's golf tournament, he called himself out for moving the golf ball. People applauded him for his honesty. He would have won if he ignored the fact that the ball moved, but he got something a trophy couldn't give him: respect. When athletes use steroids, they surrender all credibility, and they lose their fans' respect for them as professionals and for the game. So why do we lie? Is it because it's easier to tell people what they want to hear rather than telling them the truth and facing the consequences? Or is it because we want to be able to believe that what we actually did do the lie? Ariely states self-deception is a useful strategy for believing the stories we tell, and if we are successful, it becomes less likely that we will flinch and accidentally signal that we're anything other than what we pretend to be. If you tell your parents that school is going great, but you're actually failing a class, but you know you'll be able to pass before the end of the semester, you are saving them from stressing out and getting on your case over something you know you've done wrong. Ariel talks about how cheating is as a gray area that we judge on whether or not the lies we are telling are bad. When our actions are more distant from the execution of the dishonest act, when they are suspended, and when we can more easily rationalize them, golfers, like every other human on the planet, find it easier to be dishonest. When we cheat, we do it up to a point where we're able to live with ourselves and be able to sleep at night. If a person would cheat on a test with only the question they had no idea on what the answers were, rather than the entire test as a whole, they might consider that to be okay. I strongly agree with Ariely's statement that we have the ability to lie not just to others but to ourselves. I'm not good at telling lies or cheating, but I'm great at telling lies to myself and being able to believe it in order to tell others. It's easier to tell a lie that you believe than just straight out lying at all. People know that everyone lies. That is why Ariely explains it also seems that golfers, like everyone else, have the ability to be dishonest, but at the same time think of themselves as honest. When he did the experiment on how much a person would cheat, his research showed that people would cheat when they have the chance to do so, but not by a whole lot. Many people tend to exaggerate their accomplishment and sometimes take credit for someone else's victories. He concludes that I suspect that self-deception is similar to its cousin, overconfidence and optimism. And as with these other biases, it has both benefits and disadvantages. Thank you.